Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Samsung Galaxy F14. And to do this you will need to open the Google Play Store. Inside find Microsoft Edge. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. From here we can customize the browsers, so sign in to turn on synchronization or skip it. Accept or disagree with the data sharing preference, and here set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. That should be the last step, and now we can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.